If your Hyundai Santa Fe is refusing to launch Apple CarPlay, don't worry, most fixes take less than 2 minutes. Statistically, over 80% of CarPlay issues in Hyundais are caused by a faulty or low-quality charging cable. Before you visit the dealership, let's run through a quick diagnostic checklist to find the root cause. Follow these steps in order, starting with your iPhone settings and ending with a hard reset of the head unit. If the software is fine, physical debris in your charging port or a blown fuse are the next likely suspects. For Santa Fe models with wireless CarPlay, forgetting the device and repairing is the most effective reset. Wired connections usually suffer from physical wear, while wireless issues are almost always signal interference. As you can see, simply swapping to a high-quality cable fixes the vast majority of connection drops. If you're still stuck, use a paperclip to perform a hard reset on the infotainment system itself. Always make sure you are safely parked before attempting to reset your car's computer systems. Remember, buying a genuine Apple cable is much cheaper than paying a dealership diagnostic fee. Hopefully this got your maps and music back on screen. Safe driving, and we will see you next time.